Hey there, professionals! Are you ready to skyrocket your productivity and master time management like a pro? In today's video, I'm sharing 20 life-changing tips inspired by the book The Art of Laziness. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, start your day with a plan. Take 5-10 minutes each morning to outline your tasks. Trust me, it sets the tone for a productive day. Tip number 2, prioritize your tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks by importance and urgency. This helps you focus on what truly matters. Tip number 3, time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different activities. This minimizes distractions and increases efficiency. Tip number 4, use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It's a great way to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Tip number 5, limit multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. You'll find that your work quality and speed improve significantly. Tip number 6, learn to say no. Politely decline tasks that don't align with your priorities. It's essential for maintaining focus and balance. Tip number 7, delegate when possible. Trust your team and offload tasks that others can handle. This frees up your time for higher priority work. Tip number 8, set deadlines. Even for tasks without official due dates. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you stay on track. Tip number 9, minimize interruptions. Set boundaries and communicate them clearly. Let others know your focus time to reduce unnecessary disruptions. Tip number 10, use technology wisely. Utilize productivity apps and tools, but avoid getting overwhelmed by them. Find what works best for you. Tip number 11, take regular breaks. Step away from your desk and recharge. Short breaks can boost your creativity and energy levels. Tip number 12, batch similar tasks. Grouping similar activities can save you time and mental energy. For example, handle all your emails at once. Tip number 13, reflect and adjust. At the end of each day, review your progress and adjust your plan for tomorrow. Continuous improvement is key. Tip number 14, keep your workspace organized. A clean and tidy environment can enhance your focus and efficiency. Declutter regularly. Tip number 15, focus on results, not time spent. Measure your productivity by the outcomes you achieve, quality over quantity. Tip number 16, stay healthy. Exercise, eat well, and get enough sleep. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Tip number 17, learn to manage stress. Practice mindfulness or meditation. It helps you stay calm and focused. Tip number 18, continuous learning. Invest time in learning new skills and knowledge. It keeps you ahead in your professional life. Tip number 19, have a work-life balance. Make time for family, friends, and hobbies. A balanced life leads to sustained productivity. Tip number 20, celebrate your successes. Acknowledge and reward your achievements. It keeps you motivated and driven. There you have it. 20 life-changing tips to master time management like a pro. Which tips will you implement today? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching.